Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Ohana Manawa. This episode we're gonna be making breakfast. It's my day off, but sadly, um, this week is my daughter's week with the mom. Long story short, me and the mom don't get quite along, so we have joint legal custody and physical custody of our daughter. So this week is her week, which kind of makes these videos and this channel a little hits a little home for me when I'm making it with my daughter, only because my weeks are, they're counted, I guess. 2 weeks out of the month, I'm blessed that I do have to able to see my daughter on a weekly basis. But on weeks like these when I don't have her and it's my day off, gets kind of quiet in the house, gets quite lonely. So gonna make some comfort food. Gonna be making taro egg in a hole. If you guys don't know what that is, you guys are about to find out. Then a quick little saute of porky sausage and peppers and onions. Nice comfort food for me on this nice Aloha Tuesday. Alright, I'm gonna get set up and then see you guys in a bit. Let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, we have our onions and peppers over here ready to slice up, and got them washed already, ready for you guys. And then we got taro straight from Honolulu bake shop. Picked it up at Foodland and clearly been using it because it's really good. And then eggs, of course, and then got our softened butter back there, and then got pork juice sausage defrosting right now. So by the time I'm done cut up these veggies and the bread, be ready to go. Alright, let's get it. Alright, I'm not going to be in the shot as I got to cut and clean. I did already wash my hands, so don't worry about that, guys. I'm just going to after that, we're going to go start our barbecue sausage. Some nice old Hawaiian brand barbecue sausage. Okay, so we have our peppers, and then we have our barbecue sausage ready to go. Alright, then change the board, and then I'm going to cut the bread. Nice thick cut. And we're going to get started cooking, guys. Cut the new board. Set that on the side. Knife. Now it's time for egg in a hole. Alright. So if you guys don't know what an egg and hole is, it's pretty much a nice slice of bread. You can use any type of bread, sourdough, marble rye, multi-grain. It doesn't really matter. It is, for it being local, it is quite expensive, but hey, gotta support local, baby. Put that on the side. Okay. Now, here's the trick. What we're going to be doing is putting a hole in it, hence egg in a hole. So, simple. Find a nice cookie cutter, nice round one. But if not, if you don't have a nice round circle, you can always just cut it out with your hand. But we're going to do it this way. Now, the secret to egg in a hole, you gotta keep this piece. This piece comes in very handy at the end of the video, and I'll show you guys when we get there, okay? Alright. Okay. Now, as we get that going, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our oven nice and hot and ready to go. It's so hard to get a nice shot of this. Alright guys, welcome. Got the pan nice and hot, ready for us. First, we're gonna get our softened butter, nice little tablespoon. Spread that around. Add a little bit more, just in case you don't think it's gonna be enough. But I feel that's not enough. Then all we're gonna do, put our regular nice pan in there, and then we're gonna toast this baby up too. Put that on the side next to it. Nice color, nice crisp one. Pretty much just toasting it in the pan. Alright, spatula. That's what you're looking for right there. Just nice toast. Your egg in the hole, depending on the type of bread, can be very temperamental, so just be careful. If it does break, it's okay. I mean, it is going to get covered in the egg, so it'll get held back up right just like that. Okay? So next thing, we're going to take a nice little teaspoon, a little extra teaspoon. You're going to pop it right in the middle of that egg hole. Okay? After that, you take your one egg, give it a nice crack, pop it right inside. Now if you see a little leakage, it's okay, just push it right back in, it's fine. Okay. Now you're gonna want to drop your temp to about medium. You are cooking an egg. Now you may wonder, how do I cook the top of the egg? You know, if you want an over easy egg, just like any other breakfast egg, you can flip the whole thing. But if you're a little iffy about that, what you can do, just cover it. But make sure, but covering it, you do have to make sure that you turn your heat down, only because you may cause it to burn on the bottom before actually cooking the top. So what you can do is just take it straight off the heat. Okay, just take it straight off the heat. Here, we're gonna put it back on the heat now. You don't want to keep it covered too long, because what you're gonna end up doing is you're gonna be sogging your nice toasted bread already. Alright, we're just gonna give it that nice little shake. Okay, if it is a little runny still on top, and it's a little too runny for me, you know, even though I do like sunny side eggs, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it, you're gonna move it onto the side. You're just gonna get a nice little dab of butter. That's it, just to get the bottom of the pan going. Okay. Okay. And that little piece of butter, what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip your toast right onto that butter. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Bam. Now look at that. Perfect, nicely cooked egg in a hole. Okay. Now don't forget to check your other toast piece bread. You know, you can just flip that right over. Get the other side nice and crispy. Alright, and there you go. There you guys have it. Nice egg in a hole. Alright. Ta-da. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the side, then we're gonna start our saute, okay? Okay, brought back the pan. Did wipe it out, give it a nice clean, well, with a nice wet napkin. Only because the pan is still hot and it is breakfast, so don't want to wait around cooking heating up another pan, right? So we're gonna go straight into our breakfast. Sauteed veg sausage and onions. We're gonna do a little half tablespoon of butter. Get that going. You can sub the butter for extra olive oil, you know, if you want to stay on the healthy side. Avocado oil. Okay, first do our veggies. Get that in there. Here you can season it. We're just going to do a traditional salt and pepper. Nice couple shake. Bring your heat up to about medium high just to get that color going. Now with porky sausage does have a fat content in it. If you can see the little marbling inside the porky sausage, it has all that fat, nice little pieces of fat. We're gonna use that to saute and get a nice little flavor on all the veggies. We're gonna make a little puka, or a little hole in our pan. Get the veggies nice and get the veggies colored. Make sure all your porky sausage pieces are nice and flat, facing down. The end pieces, because that's where you want to put a nice little color on each of it. And saute that for about a minute. You can cover it if you want to steam it up a little bit. I like mine a little, not really crunchy. My veggies, I like it a little soft on the softer side. So I'm gonna steam it up for a good minute. You don't have to do this, okay? Yeah. Take that off. Okay, now we're going to throw in some minced garlic. So you can get a tablespoon, but for all you garlic lovers, a little extra. I love garlic, so I'm going to do a little extra tablespoon and a half. So we're going to saute that up, stir that around a little bit. Alright, there you go guys, just nice sauteed porky sausage with a little onions and sweet peppers. Oh, nice quick video on one of the breakfasts I have here on Oahu. Like, comment this video about any breakfast foods you guys like or you guys want to try to see me and my daughter make, and of course we'll get that right on too. Alright guys, as you can see, our breakfast is now complete. We have our egg in a hole with our side piece toast and sauteed porky sausage and sweet pepper and onions. It smells delicious. If they could invent smell-o-vision, I want you guys to smell this. But hey, show me a video of you guys making this breakfast or a picture of you guys sending this breakfast. That'll be amazing. Hope you guys enjoy it. But as I said in the beginning of the video, that secret little piece of toast, why it's so important for you with this breakfast. And here's why. So you're going to take your piece of toast. Now everyone that likes breakfast, that likes runny eggs, love the little egg shot of, it pouring out as you dip into it. Now this piece of toast will do exactly just that. So what you're going to do, you're going to take it and you're just going to dip it. Nice yolk, eggy, and it's in like a little puddle for you just to dip and dip and dip, and then nothing beats a nice sweet toasted taro bread in a nice yolky pool of egg yolk. Delicious. Alright guys, I'm going to enjoy this while it's still hot. You guys have a blessed day. Aloha. Thank you for joining us on another episode of Ohana Manawa. Aloha.